Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can use select command. First of all, here's our database and here's our tables. For example, I wanna see customers table. I'm gonna click new query, select from customers, and I will click execute. Here's our customers table. For example, if I don't want to see all column here, I want to see customer ID. Contact name. And for example, I want to see city. If I will execute this way, only I'm gonna see customer ID, contact name, and city. I will click execute. That's it. For example, select from. I want to see employees table. I'm gonna write employees and I will click execute, and here's our customers table, here's our employees table. That's it. I can delete here. If I click, I'm gonna see only employees table.